have the cutest lady from Lower House, Cherry Bilhera. First year BEd from USA and also reside in Garita San Enrique, Iloilo. Next in line, we have Maria Analisa Comprendio, a working girl from San Julian, Calinog, Iloilo. The ever-energetic lady, Miss Marian Bidia. A fourth year under AB Economics of USA from Tubuhan, Baratan, Nuevo, Iloilo. SK Chairman of Latubang, Miss Jane Bidia. A fourth year PS Psychology from USA. We have also Romeo Demiro Jr., a second year Computer Engineering from the USA. Hi. From Commonwealth Pasig, Iloilo. His brother is Edwin Panisa, a third pharmacy from USA. There's a native of Delgado Street, Calinog, Iloilo. We have also Wilma Lucini, a fourth-year BS Chemistry from USA and a native of Calinog, Iloilo. A fourth-year BS Architecture student from USA, Roy Dimigilio.